Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to build a goal tracker from scratch. So let's get started. To create a goals database, first, use a table database for visibility. Add a select property for quarters quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. Include a select property for years. Add a date property for goal deadlines. Incorporate a checkbox property for completed goals. To create a next action database, add a date property for action deadlines. Include a checkbox property to mark actions as completed. Create a relation property linking actions to goals. To relate databases, you may relate the two databases using a relation property. To create page templates, develop a page templates for goals, including a link view to display related tasks. Create a simple template for next actions, optionally with a page icon. Set the page templates as default for seamless use. Add a roll-up property to the goal database for a progress bar based on completion status of related tasks. Change the layout of the goal database to a board view for quarterly visualization. Adjust properties to display progress bars and goal deadlines. For the next action database, use table layout. Hide the goal property and group tasks by goals for better organization. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.